So it's update time. It's another one of them videos. We're going to be showing you around my dad's Ford Transit Sport camper that he's doing. We're just showing you pretty much where he's up to at the minute, because I think you guys are going to be impressed. There's a lot happened, so I'm excited to show you. So at first glance, just as you're looking in the back, once CosWeDad moves out the way, it doesn't look like there's a great deal changed, but there is this frame that's been put in.
Seat.
So this is going to be the seat. Headboard's in, and in the back, which I'll show you in a minute, is also changed quite a bit. But first things first,
got my seat put in.
The seat. So,
well, I put my seat in.
If you can't see, it's got a bit of a different bracket on as to what you'd normally see on the passenger chair.
There you go.
And there you have it. You're facing the wrong way all of a sudden.
Yeah. I like to just put it there, shut the door, turn that in, move all me seating. There you go. Chill time. But I've started the back as well. Do not fear. There's more. So this is the problem that most people have when they go on campers, that they've got nowhere to put anything.
The big reveal, eh? So, if you can remember,
Plenty of space.
In the last video where I showed you guys pretty much an empty frame, so this is the frame here.
Yeah.
That we built, or that my dad built and welded together. And then remember we were talking about a wooden box. Well, they're the wooden boxes there, and then the big open space at the top, all carpeted up nicely.
So this was the idea of leaving this across here open.
Yeah,
it's fall out the sky now, isn't it? Now we're videoing
it. So, go on, CosWeDad, sorry.
Well, I've seen so many people pull up to campsites with these vans, converted campers, put a two-man tent up and then throw all the stuff in the two-man tent. Well, I can't be bothered with that, so all my stuff's been in the storage.
Oh, also...
yeah, we've had a tow bar.
New tow bar. So this is all being wired up with the twin electrics on it.
That's for me bike rack.
And for when he tows the mobile home.
Yeah.
And a quick word about the guy who came and fitted the tow bar. It was a company called Tow Bars to You. I don't know if you've heard of them, they've been going for quite a while. He's a really, really nice guy, so if you're watching this, thank you very much for fitting this. It was a pleasure speaking to you. Lovely, lovely bloke. He's done a fantastic job. And the weather, it was in the middle of that previous storm that we had. The weather was pretty bad, so he was out here in the rain, didn't have anywhere for it to be under cover, and he just continued on and soldiered through. So top marks, top marks.
All this will be lined this week. I'll have all this finished this week. This bit of the build will be finished this week.
So what's going to be getting done on the bottom side of things? Is there going to be a floor going in?
This is all going to be carpeted here, and then here I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. I haven't decided on the finish on this bit.
What's going to be happening on the front of this?
That'll be carpeted.
Carpeted.
Yeah.
Right.
That'll be just carpeted. You'll not see that.
Lovely.
I've got a piece of wood to go over there.
It looks good, I'll be honest. And the layout looks like it's going to work well, and it's pretty much...
The layout is the only thing that I'm concerned about. It has to work. It's not a case of looking pretty. It's like that for a reason. But I've got panels to go on here, and then I'm going to build a framework around here, and then put a board on and make pockets in the doors. So these will be like storage pockets.
It's all coming together slowly but surely.
I've left enough room there so that I can build the pocket on the back of the door, as you'll see in the next video.
What has been done, what more I should say, has been done in here? As we mentioned, the frame,
yeah, well,
we showed the seat, the headboard,
the water tank and all that's on now board, which I've fitted underneath.
So that's all them pipes over there, we're seeing there running through the the bottom of the floor.
Yeah, they go into the big water tank underneath, which is bolted to the bottom of the van. All the wiring will be done. Like I say, it's going to be one of them jobs where you're going to be too busy, and all of a sudden it's going to be finished.
So next video,
it'll be finished.
It might be finished. might not be finished. We'll see.
No, we'll try and do some more videos.
This seat. Explain a little bit about what's going on with the seating.
Yeah, right. So the idea is what we're going to do is I'm going to build a locker in here, which will have a roller shutter door on. I'm going to build a locker here, a big cupboard here, which will have a roller shutter door on. Sink, fridge, microwave will be behind us. There'll be a set of cupboards along the top of here, connecting up to this. A little bit of underlighting and that on it. The seat is just basically a bench seat. Toilet goes in here with a door on the front. This here is just basically storage for inside the van. It'll have the battery and the inverter and the night heater will be in there. And then it'll just be a bench seat back on. Cupboards down the side. It'll be snug. What's
the plan with the back headboard? Is that getting covered, carpeted?
Yeah, that'll all be carpeted, yeah.
So what's next to do on the list, and what's the priority first?
I'm going to get this seat sorted out, and then I'm putting the floor down.
Lovely. And do we have a preview of what the floor is going to be or not?
Yeah, so I'm putting this flooring in. So it's nice and machined. Nice. And obviously I've got the trim goes on this to cover all this rubbish.
Oh yeah, same as mine.
Yeah.
Now, while we mention the same as mine, I was thinking that it would be quite cool to have one of these seats in my van, so that when it spins round,
so you want one now, do you?
then I would be able to have a camper as well.
Right, aye.
But that's a video for another day.
Yeah, get your £300 out. So there's just been a lot of work going on underneath as well in the van, like obviously the tanks and
Can you see the tank underneath?
Yeah, you can if you stick your head under there probably.
Right, I'll lie down, I'm not shy.
It's on that far side.
Let's have a look.
Can you see it?
Oh yes, I can see it. Can everybody else see? There's the pipes there.
It's bent like that for a reason. It's so that they're not meant to be put in straight. They're put in like that so the water, if you ever drain it, it runs out the front of the tank. So that's pretty much a rundown of what's been going on the inside of the van. But one thing that my dad hasn't told you is that on the sly he's been buying some cosmetic bits for it as well, which I'm slightly jealous about, but I don't think I was going to put them on mine anyway. Shall I show you? If you've got them handy you can show it. Step into my garage. Step into my office. Do you want to have a sneak preview of what we're doing? So this is pretty much the garage of bits at the minute. Oh yeah, let's have a look. Right, so this is going to be, I've gone for the silver gloss for the splashback and bench top, which nice. Corresponds with the silver fridge and things. Looks quite well. And then I'm going for this grey stripy oak effect finish. It looks. I know a lot of people probably have this in their vans, and it's probably supposed to say quite common, but it's just because it works well together. Do you know what I mean? It works well together. They look good with the wood flooring as well. Yeah, yeah. It keeps with the theme of the van too, doesn't it? Yeah. So you're obviously going to have that's the wood floor, that's the bent, that's going to be all the cabinets are going to be made out of, and that's going to be the worktop and splashback. Cushy. So I've just got my mattress here, which is all done, and my box of bits. Box of bits. So what's this is the exciting stuff. So well, it's all exciting, but Vanex. For the curtains and side rails. Lovely. Which I would recommend anybody if you're going to build a camper. Vanex have got loads of extras, especially curtain rails and stuff. They're a very helpful company. Good. I went for some new wind deflectors. I forgot you got them. Yeah, so they're not the ones that are on my van. They're the ones that run more with the window. Right, got you. They're not the square looking chunky ones. This is me. Oh, hang on. Yankee Danky sun visor. So sun visor there. And did you buy a bonnet deflector or not? No, I didn't bother getting one. That's alright. So I got this bonnet deflector instead. Oh, right. Yeah. Okay. Nice bonnet deflector to go on. That's going to look the dog's danglies. And believe you me, this is all my bits. This is my fridge. Pipes, all sorts. Yeah.
Everything. Toilet.
Everything's here now, so it's just a matter of getting the time to fit it, really. But the lads at Base Mechanics as well have been helping us. I'd like to take the opportunity to say thanks to Snoop and Monty for their experience and help. Always welcome.
They're a good bunch of lads and all, aren't they?
Yeah.
So there we go, we're going to leave CosWeDad in his happy place and we're going to let him get on. No, I'm going to give him a bit of a hand today. Well, a hand or hindrance, sometimes I don't know which I am. But the birds are singing away there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to leave a like if you did enjoy it. Leave a comment down below as well. Let us know what you thought of all the updates that we've done so far and that's been going on. And if you want to see more and you want to make sure that you see the end finished product of this van, and it will be very special, I promise you that, then make sure you subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day, everyone. Have a great week. Peace. Yeah, this is what you can achieve in your own garage slash backyard. I'm sure he just likes drilling holes in this van. It's pretty much every time I come out he's drilling a hole somewhere.